These are the products I'm using to solder most of my components. I use regular rosin, water-soluble rosin with zinc chloride, water-soluble flux with zinc chloride and hydrochloric acid, to tin or solder 2 copper wires in the cables I use for my sensors. I try to use mostly regular rosin, and the other 2 work great. I use mostly the seal needles, also to speed up the soldering time of thermocouples, which is good in order to reduce the heat stress on the copper and avoid oxidation. This one that has hydrochloric acid works great to solder the nichrome wire, which by the way is really difficult to solder with regular rosin. One downside of the acidic soldering fluxes is that these are very corrosive. Then it is very important to clean thoroughly everything that is soldered with these fluxes. It is important to clean when you solder with rosin as well to avoid accumulating dust and particles, but this one in particular is very corrosive and it can eat away the copper. I have used isopropyl alcohol, ethanol, and also acetone, and they all seem to remove well both the regular rosin and the more acidic soldering fluxes.